Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. This is our reading for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader ha. Search mo lang siya. Paki-comment naman po, kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin eh. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Yan, likes ninyo guys. Kung gusto mo ako mapanood ng live yun, sa Unicorn Princess Tarot sa TikTok at sa Madam P Vlogs dito sa YouTube. Diyan lang ako mag-live. Okay, let's start. Water sign. Main energies for water sign. Hindi ko to kunin masyadong marami. Okay, you do have your Six of Pentacles. Two of Wands. Five of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Okay. Page of Pentacles is here. For what I can see here, possible na may situation na masyadong nagkaroon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan with the Five of Wands na pwedeng nagdulot para umalis or paalisin. Nagkaroon ng pagdedesisyon with the Two of Wands na umalis or paalisin. And I can see an ending here. Five of Pentacles, possible na medyo naging mahirap, nagkaroon ng problems, money problems, parang nakuha lahat or nawala lahat dito. And for some of you, I can see some of you na nagkaroon ng parang immature na energy, maybe this is you or whoever itong mga taong involved dito, so parang naging immature yung energies. Kaya nagkaroon ng dahilan para matapos or magkaroon ng pagkakagulo. You don't feel welcome anymore. I feel like ikaw ito. Parang feeling mo hindi ka na welcome sa kung ano man yung nag-end dito. Some of you pwedeng may pagsisisi pero ayaw mong magmukhang kawawa. Nasaktan ka with the Ten of Swords. Anyway, ano yung challenges for water sign? Ano yung challenges for water sign? Okay, challenges for water sign. Challenges for water sign. You do have here the Ace of Swords. So yeah, maybe the challenge for you is paano magkaroon ng new beginning or anong dapat gawin dito sa new beginning. I feel like yung paglayo is one of the challenges for you. You do have here the Star. Why is the Star a challenge for water sign? Okay, you do have here the King of Cups. So I feel like ang challenge for you is paano maabot yung pangarap mo na maybe minsan ang nasa harapan mo yung pangarap mo or maybe yung pangangailangan mo nasa harapan mo maybe in the past. So paano bumuo ng another pangarap, paano maabot itong parang medyo mas lumayo yung pangarap mo dito. Maybe in the past is napakalapit na sa'yo. Naabot mo na, nahawakan mo na. I feel like yung iba sa inyo hindi masyadong napag-isipan kung ano man yung mga desisyon na ginawa dito. And This is you with the Empress energy. I mean, you do love yourself. Marami tayong nakikita nagmamahal sa'yo. The question is, mahal mo rin ba sila pabalik? Parang ganun. Or kaya mo bang ibalik or isukli yung pagmamahal na binibigay nila sa'yo? Okay, so anyway, what is the advice for water sign? Anong dapat malaman nung advice for water sign, please? Advice for water sign. Hindi ko alam kung nasa initan ka ba ngayon. This could be a reading or parang may nasisinagan ka ng araw. Or maybe nagluluto. May nararamdaman akong part lang sa'yo na mainit. Which is parang nasa may bandang kamay. This could be a reading. Queen of Wands and the Chariot. I feel like the advice for you is to listen, makinig. Makinig ka dito sa Queen of Wands. This is a person who might be someone na nagta-travel madalas. Yeah, with the Chariot energy. This is Cancer energy. So, pwedeng makinig ka dito sa advice nitong taong to. Maybe ang sign niya is Cancer, or maybe this person is someone na nagta-travel madalas. You have to listen to this person. Nakikita natin may matibay na relasyon or connection sa inyo nitong person na to. This person also is a kind of person na let's say makasarili, or medyo mahal niya lang yung sarili niya, wala siya pakialam sa iba, parang gano'n. But this person is, siya yung gigising sa'yo, or siya yung magsasabi sa'yo ng mga mali sa nangyari, mali sa ginawa mo, at mga tama sa ginawa mo. So you have to listen to this person. I can see a Virgo energy here with the Hermit. So anyway, yun yung nakikita natin. Makinig ka, yun yung advice. Makinig ka dun sa taong yun. What will happen for you in the near future? For water sign. Near future energy. Parang may nakita akong umiinom dito. This could be a reading. Or habang nanonood ka ay may katabi kang inumin, tubig or what. Or nasa harapan mo. In the near future for water sign, please. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Near future for water sign. 6 of Cups. 3 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 7 of Pentacles. One more card. I'm gonna take this, masyadong marami. Okay. We do have here the Devil and the 6 of Wands. The Devil at the bottom of the deck. So in the near future, I can see a lot of sadness, kalungkutan. And why is that? Why is there is sadness in the future for you? Yan, nakakita tayo ng mga problema. 9 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Problema maybe may kinalaman sa pagiging patient or hindi pagiging, ayun, may kinalaman sa pagiging patient or hindi pagiging patient. Basta may kinalaman sa ganun. So, pwedeng hindi hinabaan ng pasensya or sobrang haba ng naging pasensya, alin man doon. So, problema regarding doon. Four of Cups, the Devil. I feel like in the future, may mga marirealize ka. Okay? Na pwedeng ikalungkot mo kasi marirealize mo kung ano yung mga nawala sa'yo. I feel like this is the energy of you with the Three of Cups na parang may gusto kang balikan in the near future sa nakaraan. And the Six of Cups, yeah, this is a past energy and the Three of Cups. No? And kung ano man yung mga nawala, maybe this, yeah, can you see this? There's a new offer in the future or maybe mga bagong nandyan, but you will still be longing for the Three of Cups here, which is yun yung nakaraan. And maybe yung bagong dadating sa'yo is hindi mo masyadong ma-appreciate because it is from the Devil, which is, this is Capricorn energy. Maybe someone who is very manipulative, maybe someone na stricto. Hindi maganda yung energy nitong taong to. So, you would realize itong mga bagay na nawala sa'yo because dito sa bago. Maybe ma-differentiate mo yon. What's with the Seven of Pentacles and the Six of Wands? Okay, so the Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Justice card, Libra energy. Pagdating sa career, nakikita natin ito yung magiging priority mo in the near future. Pero I feel like medyo magiging mahirap para sa'yo. Why? Clarify, please. Page of Swords is here. There's growth na nakikita natin, pero medyo magiging mahirap. Kasi hindi mo makikita yung halaga ng ginagawa mo. And what's with the Six of Wands? Six of Wands is clarified by the Two of Cups, the Judgment, and the Page of Wands. I mean, if you want victory, ito yung gusto mo kasi in the future. Gusto mo na victory ng success, di ba? Kailangan may Two of Cups, which is, this is partnership, this is friendship, this is, for me, nakukuha ko rin yung Leo energy, maybe strength, yung tibay, pundasyon na pinagsamahan ng, you do have your Judgment. Pwedeng ito ay mga aral, nagsilbing aral para sa'yo. Na kailangan mo ang tanggapin. These are messages coming from the Queen of Wands. Basta yun yung pinaka-advice sa'yo. Makinig ka dito sa nagtuturo sa'yo, nagsasabi sa'yo kung anong dapat mong gawin. The Ten of Wands. Medyo mahirap, but there's the victory card over there. Nakakita tayo ng mga pag-iipon. But you know, makinig ka lang dun sa tao. Nasabi ko nga na dapat talagang pakinggan mo. Medyo ibaba mo yung ego mo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.